Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Louissa Aqmarea and my student number is 23020400080. So today I want to explain about vowels. So vowels are phonemes that are produced without any appreciable constriction or blockage of airflow in a vocal tract. Vowels are made by moving our tongue or our jaw. So there are two kinds of vowels. It's diphthongs and monophthongs. The monophthongs it's built of 14 vowels, and diphthongs is built of 5 vowels. So monophthongs is a vowel sound that has only one sound, meanwhile diphthongs have 2 sounds. So there are 14 of monophthongs, and I'm gonna tell you about the sound of the monophthongs. As we can see here, they are e, e, a, u, o, a, and r. And for the diphthongs here, I, ow, oi, a, and o. So we can describe vowels by labeling the tongue height, tongue advancement, whether it is rounded or unrounded, or whether they are tense or lax. So here I want to explain about tongue height, tongue advancement, roundedness, and then tense or lax. Tongue advancement refers to how far forward or how far backward the tongue in the mouth, and then the tongue height refers to how high or how low the tongue is in the mouth. For the roundedness, we can see it if we pronounce the vowels. For example, if we pronounce the vowel E, my lips is not round, so the sound E is unrounded. And then when I pronounce about O, we can see that my lips is round. That's why the sound O is rounded. And the last one is tense or lax. So tense is long vowel sounds and lax is short vowel sounds. You can see the example in a diagram, and then I'm gonna explain it there. If you want to see what is the difference between tense or lax, and we can see here, E is a tense, meanwhile E is a lax. U here is a tense, meanwhile U here is a lax. To understand it better, I give one example. If we spell the word glue, we emphasize that the vowel U here is longer than when we spell U in the word put. But for today, I am going to explain about back vowels. So there are 5 back vowels. They are U, O, and A. What is back vowels? Back vowels are vowels that are pronounced with the tongue positioned towards the back of the mouth. And we can classify the back vowels based on the tongue advancement, tongue height, the roundedness, and tense or lax. U is a tense, high, back, rounded vowel, and then U is a lax, high, back, rounded vowel, and then A is a tense, mid, back, rounded vowels, and then A is a lax, mid, back, rounded vowel, and for A is a tense, low, back, and it's unrounded.